Hi, I'm Sophie and welcome to my world. Today I'm going to teach you how to take the lowly TP tube and turn it into a superhero. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. For this project, you're going to need toilet paper tubes, glue sticks, tape, scissors, my downloadable template, crayons, markers, or colored pencils. I have created for you 3 templates that give you 4 different superheroes. You've got Batman, Superman, Wonder Woman, and Spider-Man. And then I have Superman and Batman capes. So those are all downloadable from my website for free. And that's at www.sophie-world.com. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take whichever one of these guys you want to start with. And I'm going to do Batman. So the first thing you do is print it, then cut it, and then color it. When you're all done, it'll look something like this. So I'm going to take a piece of tape and I'm going to do that half on, half off technique that you always hear me talking about in duct taping world. As you can see right there, tape is half on, half off. And I'm just going to place it right on the TP tube. Now, some toilet paper tubes are bigger, some are smaller. Don't worry about that because you can always trim, or you can always, and in this case, this is going to get folded down, which you'll see in just a second. Flip it over, and now this is super, super important. I'm going to put a piece of paper here so that I don't get glue on my surface. This is super important with Batman. See how he's got this big head here? We're going to make his own Batman ears out of the TP tube. So you want to make sure that you put a lot of glue right there. So first thing you're going to do is put a swipe of glue up and down right next to the TP tube. And then you want to make sure that you get a lot of glue right at that top where his head is. And then get the rest of the glue on. Don't be shy with your glue. And then you're just going to fold this up and over. And just roll it around and line it up if you can. There you go. So you just seal that off. And there he is. Now this is the fun thing about Batman because he's got those ears. So squeeze this together like that. Just kind of pinch it together like it's a little mouth. Wop, wop. And then what you want to do is just push down in the center and push down in the center on the other side. And it makes kind of like these little cat ears. See that? Or in this case, bat ears. There you go. Now, of course, Batman needs his cape. So I've got my little cape here, and I'm just going to take a little piece of tape. You can glue it if you want to with the glue stick, but I'm just going to use a little piece of tape there. Again, half on, half off. Make sure you've got your face there. It's easy because you've got the ears to line up with. And you just put your little cape on so that he is ready to go. And he's ready to join the army of other superheroes that I've got here. It's my own very special little League of Justice. There we go, or Justice League, I guess you would call it. And there they are. There's my own Justice League all lined up. And they stand up really nicely. And they make great little finger puppets, too. Ready to take on the bad guys. And that's all there is to taking a common TP tube and turning it into a super Avenger. And I want to show you some of the other ones. There's Wonder Woman. And I'm feeling my Spidey senses. And can't forget about Superman. And if you want to go retro, go with the early version of Batman. For more fun ideas, check us out at Sophie-World.com. I am the Batman.